Hello family, thank you for clicking on this video. Today we'll be making corned beef sandwich. Easy, simple and delicious like the egg sandwich we made the last time. If you're new, do not forget to please click the subscribe button and be a part of the family. For the sandwich, this is the brand of corned beef I'll be using. I've cleaned the top and bottom, so I'm just going to open it up. Although I won't be using the entire can, just about a quarter of it. Now it's open, I'm just going to take out the quantity I want to use, and then I'm going to match it down with my fork. Just break it down, and after breaking it down, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of hot chili, the liquid hot chili. If you don't have the liquid one, you can use the dry one. I love my corned beef sandwich hot and spicy. And this brand of corned beef I'm using doesn't have salt in it, so I added just a pinch of salt, and then I'm going to just mix everything together, and then the filling is ready. Here I have my bread. To each slice of bread, I'm going to just spread butter to it. When that is done, I will now put a generous amount of the corned beef filling onto each slice of bread. Next, I have my lettuce, which I already washed clean with vinegar water. I also patted it dry. I place that onto the corned beef filling, and next I'll be using the sandwich cheddar cheese. That will be the next layer. Because I am a lover of cheese, I'll be using 2 kinds of cheese on each sandwich. So if you're a cheese lover like me, you can go ahead to do so. First the sandwich cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to use the mozzarella cheese also on top of it. If you don't feel comfortable using your hands, my hands are actually very clean, but for commercial purpose you can use an hand glove. Next, I'll be covering up the bread with the second slice, and then it will be time for us to grill. My mini grill is ready. I place the bread onto it, and then here we go. Simple and straightforward sandwich you can have anytime, and it's really delicious, guys. It looks so moist, as you can see, and it tastes so delicious. If you've watched to this point, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all, and bye bye.